question 1. Given fx is this and this is equal to this. So for all values of x, find the values of constants a, p and q. P is less than q. Okay. So this form is called the vertex form. So they have already completed the square to get into this form. This is the factorized form. Okay, so what we do is we take the vertex form, we expand it to get it into this form. So fx is 2x minus 3 square minus 8. So if we expand this, we will get x square, then 2 times x is 2x, times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 square will get plus 9 minus 8. So expanding the bracket, we get plus 18 minus 8. 2x square minus 12x. 18 minus 8 is 10 lah. Then the whole thing we can divide by 2. So we factorize the 2 out. We'll get this. Okay, so we are close. We are almost close to this form. What we have to do is we have to factorize it. So this one you can use your calculator. You go here. A is 1, B is negative 6, and C is 5. So our x is 1 means in our bracket we must write x minus 1 and x minus 5. This will be our factorized form. Then now we can compare it with the form that they give. So they said this is equal to they said this is equal to a, x minus p, and x minus q. Okay, so obviously a is going to be 2. This one is very straightforward. So we can say a is 2. And then p can be either p can either be 1 or 5. So here we have to make sure that this condition. They said p is less than q. So p has to be 1 and then q has to be 5. P is 1, q is 5. Okay, because technically this one we can just rearrange also lah. Depends on the condition. If they say p is bigger than q, then p will be 5 and q will be 1. But since they said it's smaller, so p is 1. That's it. This is the final answer.